Hello, today we will guide you through how to find ATR in Thinkorswim. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to locate the average true range indicator and how to display it on your charts so you can quickly gauge market volatility. ATR is a popular tool that measures how much a price typically moves over a set number of periods. Traders use it to set stop distances, size positions, and understand how active a symbol is on the time frame they're viewing. Let's begin by opening the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If your platform prompts you to update, it's a good idea to run the latest version so menus and labels match what you see here. Once the platform is open, head to your chart area. Click on Chart to bring up a price chart. If a default symbol appears, that's fine. The ATR you're about to add will adapt to whichever symbol and time frame the chart is showing. Next, look toward the top of the chart and click on Studies. This opens the tools you'll use to add indicators to your view. From that menu, click on Edit Studies. You should now see the Edit Studies and Strategies panel, which lets you search for indicators and manage what's currently displayed on your chart. In the search field of that panel, enter ATR. This stands for Average True Range. You'll see it appear in the results list. ATR is typically calculated with a default length of 14 periods and reports in the same units as the instrument's price, which makes it easy to interpret at a glance. With ATR highlighted in the results, click on Add Selected. This moves the study into your chart's active list and cues it to display. If your list is long, don't worry. ATR will appear among the added studies and will be plotted in a separate lower panel by default, keeping your price chart uncluttered. To finalize and display the indicator, click on OK. The Edit Studies panel will close, and the ATR line will appear beneath your price chart. You'll notice the current ATR value updating as new bars come in. Higher values indicate larger typical moves, while lower values suggest a quieter market. ATR automatically recalculates based on the chart's time frame. So whether you're viewing minutes, days, or weeks, it reflects the recent volatility of what's on screen. That's it. You've successfully found and added ATR in Thinkorswim. Use it to inform your risk and expectations, and you'll have a clearer picture of how much a market typically moves before you place your next trade.